Ismi Utsav, and he is Mr. Harun Rashid from Harun TV One channel, and I'm from Bangladesh, and we some Bangladeshis gathered here, and he joined us. We enjoyed. He enjoyed, I think. Jazakallah khair.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Terry May. Got it. I'll do it little bit because bro.
আপনার মোবাইলটা দেন ভিডিও
वीडियो कर हमको हमी से चुरा लो